So we're here, you guys. We actually decided to go to a proper campsite the first night. The boys didn't enjoy the long car ride, and so we thought we owed them a little bit of playground time. So we're at a real campsite in Italy. It's called Multivan. The huge lake is right here. We got our van here, and this is our little setup. We have our wet bag for our diapers, and I have my like hygiene bag with all my toiletry. We have our water, and then over here we have our little stove, and this is the washing basin. So let's wash these diapers up. You're gonna put some pasta in here? I don't think that helps clean anything. No, I don't think so. I don't think that helps anything.
How much poo is in there?
Not much. I got all the poo out mostly. It's pretty nasty.
It's nasty.
I don't like it. Whistle while you work. So I have all the boys' stuff in individual bags here. So we're going to grab them some sweaters. I have their rain jackets outside. It's a little bit chilly. Yeah, is it too cold to come out, you little bum? Hey! Hey, world!
Peanut butter. Jelly.
That's a big tub of peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oh, peanut butter, and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. And now nobody's eating it.
I want one too. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh no! Okay. What?
Are you in rock heaven? So instead of sand, we got all these rocks. So it's heaven for kids. Rock. You want to just eat it straight from the bowl? Okay, you can do that.
Mama.
Yes, Mama made that for you. You like it? Oh, you're so sweet to me. So we just got to our new camping spot over in Lake Garda. Washed some laundry. We have our cloth diapers drying. That's our reusable trash bag here. Over here I just have some fruits and veggies hanging over this way so it's nice and cool. We got our setup here. This time I went ahead and put the car seats on the bottom with our clothes. So I organized a little bit different. Have our little setup here. We're going to use this as a cutting board. We got the boys' chairs, our chairs, the cooler. My tea. Hello, tea. These are our peshmentals. I always talk about these. My sarongs and blankets and everything. So underneath here, I organize it a little bit differently. I have the wet bag down here, electronics, sheets, and everything. And then in here, I have my computer charging. But I have a bunch of food. This night was a bit chaotic. You have your shoes. You ready to go? You go play? Ducky. Oh, hi, Mr. and Mrs. Duckies. Duckies.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Duckies.
Duckies. Quack, quack, quack. It was a little bit wet last night, so we're hanging our stuff to dry. I'm gonna make some tea over here on our little grill. And last night was really bright in here, so I had to end up using like all of our sheets to cover the car because it was just too bright for the babies. Daddy making some food, drinking a lemonade beer.
A warm lemonade beer.
A warm lemonade beer, yummy. So we just have some chickpeas here drained, and then we have some basilicum sauce for the babies, and then we have a nice spicy sauce for us, so 2 separate bowls. We got our pea pasta, it's our favorite pasta. What else we got? All of our stuff drying. It's been raining the past couple days, so we had a lot to catch up on. Have a little setup. So we're walking the boys into the city over at the Lake Garda, hoping that they take a nap. It was so hot today, so we just like hung out in the van. Here we go. It's about a 40-minute walk, so I hope these little guys sleep.